All right, so a lot of crypto people on X are freaking out about Bitcoin being in a shooting star chart pattern based on the candle it formed on the monthly when December closed out, which we will break down together. Listen up, this is more than likely the last stretch of the bull cycle. If history rhymes or repeats itself, things are about to get insanely good to the upside over the next several months, up until maybe August, September time period, where we will need to start being very careful. Or the shooting star price activity could play out, and that would be either very bearish or indicate we are in for some turbulent times. At the end of the day, 2025 from a probability standpoint is more likely to be a great year for both the stock market and crypto markets. The Federal Reserve just made some bullish statements Friday morning. What else do we need to know and be mindful of as crypto investors as the new year kicks off? Hello, I'm Crypto Casey and welcome to another episode of Crypto This Week. Let's take a look at the latest global news stories affecting the markets, as well as the macro environment at large. Please check out our sponsors, GoBabyTrade, Uphold, and crypto wallets, Tangent and Ledger. Benefit from the AI robotic revolution that is just beginning by making profit from the volatility of the crypto markets without staring at screens all day with GoBabyTrade, an AI-driven robotic crypto trader that trades 24/7 for passive income. Watch a full video review and join the free weekly webinar to learn more. Store your money and manage crypto with Uphold, a Web3 platform that actually holds our money and crypto. It's connected to 30 underlying exchanges, giving us the best possible prices for crypto with more liquidity. So it's a way better and safer option to buy, sell, trade, and manage our digital assets. And make sure you own and use multiple cold storage hardware wallets. Tangent is super affordable, extremely easy to set up, only takes like 90 seconds, great for beginners. And Ledger, Stax, and Flex wallets have extra security layers, and our community gets the best discounts on the market. So scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Sweet. Let's explore this whole shooting star candlestick FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, so we can be prepared for anything over the next month in the short term. So when viewing a candlestick price chart with monthly intervals, each of these green and red bars are individual candlesticks, each candlestick representing a month of Bitcoin trading history. There are three simple parts of a candlestick we need to understand. 1. Red versus green colors. If the candlestick is red, it means the price that particular month closed in a bearish downward trend, while green candlesticks mean the price that particular month closed in a bullish upward trend. 2. The length of the middle section or body of the candlestick, where in the solid green or red part of the candlestick, the top and bottom represent the price Bitcoin opened and closed for that particular month. On a red bearish candlestick, the top of the candlestick's body is the price Bitcoin opened at for that particular month, and the bottom represents the price Bitcoin closed at for that particular month. While with a green bullish candlestick, the bottom represents the opening price, and the top represents the closing price for that particular month. So as we can see, that also makes the coloring of a candlestick more clear. Where a month Bitcoin closed higher than it opened is a green bullish candlestick, while red is when Bitcoin closed lower than it opened. Simple enough, right? Cool. And 3, the thin lines above and below the body of a candlestick are called wicks, similar to a wick that comes out of an actual candle. The wick from the top of a candle represents the highest price Bitcoin reached in a single trade for the month, while the wick from the bottom represents the lowest price Bitcoin reached in a single trade for the month. Now, here's what has people freaking out. Here's Bitcoin's candlestick chart on the monthly from way back in 2017 to now January 2025. And if we look here back in 2017, the months leading up to December were big green candles that ultimately wicked high up here to the all-time high of $20,000. Then in January, the month closed out red with this long wick before crashing back down into a bear cycle. Next up in the following bull cycle back in 2021, check out October's gnarly huge green candle. It wicked up to $67,000. And then in November, Bitcoin closed out red with this long wick that sent Bitcoin to the cycle's all-time high of around $69,000 before crashing back down into a bear cycle. So the long green candles with long wicks is like a shooting star. And in chart analysis, if the next month closes out red with a long wick, it forms that shooting star pattern, which when looking at this ridiculously massive green candle back in November, followed by December closing out red with this super long candle that took us to the current all-time high of $108,000. You can see, if we close out January in the red, it's not looking good. If it turns out to be a classic shooting star situation, then we could be in trouble. Or it could mean we just have a turbulent sideways consolidation period before continuing to trend upwards into another shooting star situation at a much higher price later on in the bull cycle. Let me know what you guys think. Is Bitcoin forming a shooting star that will send us into a free fall into the next bear cycle? Or is the best yet to come, when the continuation of the bull cycle shoots us to new all-time highs? Let me know in the comments below. As for me, my random wild guess is the bull cycle still has several more months to go through 2025. Around this time last year, I made two predictions. One, Bitcoin would hit 100K on November 17th, 2024, which it hit 100K the first time on December 4th. So I only missed it by 17 days, not bad. The other prediction I made was that Bitcoin would hit $169,420 on March 25th. And a year ago, I thought this would be the bull cycle's all-time high. However, a lot of things I didn't really see coming with all the spot Bitcoin ETF approvals, a new pro-crypto US government coming in. My new random wild guess at Bitcoin's all-time high for this cycle is $420,069 on November 17th, 2025. Yeah, super bullish, I know, way too optimistic, but those are the most fun types of random wild guesses. At the end of the day, who cares if it actually is remotely accurate? Let me know what your prediction is in the comments below. Here are some other predictions floating around. Bitwise posted on X 2025 predictions for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana new all-time highs, with Bitcoin at $200,000, Solana at $7,000, and Solana at $750. And here's a chart of some catalysts versus potential headwinds, starting with catalysts being institutional investments, buying by corporations, wirehouse approvals, US Bitcoin strategic reserve, better regulatory and political climate, tight supply due to Bitcoin halving, layer 2 scaling, macro windfall like rate cuts and China stimulus, and upsized allocations where 3% is the new 1%. As for potential headwinds, a shorter list for now, with disappointment from DC, leverage blowout, selling by governments, meme coin mania failure, and disappointing rate cuts. Nice. And just to add to the catalyst side with some more recent events, check it out. This Friday, Fed's Barkin says the year ahead outlook is positive with upside risk. The outlook for the US economy in 2025 is positive with more upside than downside risk to growth despite uncertainty about the impact of trade and other policies that may be pursued by the incoming Trump administration, Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin said on Friday. Translation, the Fed will be propping up the market this year. Bullish. And here are a couple other bullish events and developments to keep our eyes on over the year. Polymarket odds surge in favor of Solana ETF securing SEC approval in 2025. Polymarket bettors now lean towards an 85% chance of SEC Solana ETF approval by 2025, driven by rising optimism and significant asset manager interest. And as we've discussed on the channel, Trump picked crypto backer Paula Atkins as new Securities and Exchange Commission chair. So Solana will likely be the first of many altcoin ETFs to launch over the year. And that's why Bitwise's $750 Solana prediction may be a bit low. My random wild guess is Solana at least reaches 1,000 per sol. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Another thing we started exploring together last year will gain a lot more momentum this year, as AI-based cryptocurrency trading could be the next significant market trend, and continued AI agent development could result in AI bots surpassing human investors, according to Jawad Ashraf, co-founder and CEO of Vinar Blockchain. AI agents will provide market insights, execute trades based on real-time data analysis, or influence market sentiment with an efficiency human counterparts cannot match. And we've already been seeing this firsthand with the AI-enhanced robotic crypto trader I tested out all last year in 2024 before making a video review about it a few months ago. You can check it out by clicking on the link above. Like any industry now, if you haven't started using AI, you will fall behind, especially in crypto because it's a zero-sum game. We are all competing against one another. For every winner, there is a loser. Because basically in crypto, outside of buying and holding Bitcoin long-term, we're all trying to buy altcoins low to sell to someone else higher later. That's literally the name of the main crypto game. However, now with AI getting exponentially better at an extremely fast pace, we have the opportunity to take advantage of the AI robotic revolution and diversify our crypto investment strategy. It's called GoBabyTrade, and it generates profit by capitalizing on the volatility of the crazy crypto market. Basically, we connect our Coinbase account to the trader, select which cryptocurrencies we wanted to trade, And then it does its magic, automatically trades crypto to generate profit from price volatility. We've been getting a lot of great feedback from people about it since we explored it together. Every week, there's a free webinar where we can ask questions live to learn how it works. So click on the link below to sign up and check it out. And another revolution we are on the brink of is global financial revolution, where traditional banking and legacy financial systems will absolutely be replaced by cryptocurrency infrastructure and decentralized Web3 platforms. Otherwise, they will be destroyed by quantum computing tech over the next decade. Crypto is already becoming quantum resistant way ahead of the game, and the next generation of finance is already available for us to start using to opt out of the corrupt, rigged, failing fiat currency system. With Uphold, it's a Web3 decentralized financial platform that is completely free to use, only takes like 90 seconds to set up, and it provides us with a way safer, better option for storing our US dollars, our fiat currencies, than banks, and provides us with a way safer, better option to trade and manage crypto than crypto exchanges. Check it out. When we store our US dollars or crypto in Uphold, it's actually there. It stays there 100% backed. In fact, they publicly list and update their balance sheet every 30 seconds for anyone to see at any time. And they offer US dollar interest accounts to US users that are FDIC insured up to $2.5 million. While right now, as we speak, all of our money in a bank isn't there. They lend it out against our will. They don't publicly list their balance sheet. They hardly offer interest accounts and only insure up to $250K. With crypto exchanges, if everyone withdrew all their crypto and Bitcoin, there would not be enough to go around. Multiple people are looking at the same exact Bitcoin and crypto in their account on their phone screens. While with Uphold, all of our crypto is actually there and 100% backed, and the platform is connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, which gives us the best possible prices for all cryptocurrencies and way more liquidity when trading crypto. It's free to sign up, so scroll down and use the link below to access Uphold's correct and official site and redeem all the special offers they have for us. Awesome. If you'd like to learn more about how GoBabyTrade works to diversify our crypto investment strategies, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about Uphold and how it is a way better, safer option than banks and exchanges for managing our US dollars and crypto, check out this video. And to start securing your money in crypto with Uphold, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.